to me like that before. No. And I wonder what on earth is he searching for? No wonder why there's no mirrors on these walls no more. You can't tell me why you're so terrified of beautiful. Scared of the good more than the evil. Scared of the light more than the dark.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm taking a little break from the bobs and I'm bringing you guys a long, loose curly unit that is oh so stunning, guys. This unit is from BestlaceWigs. This is what the packaging looks like. Many of you are probably going on vacation soon, and this hair I feel like would be a good option. Look at that. If you were to get it wet, it's still gonna be slaying. Just looking real good. Now, if you are gonna wear a wig like this on vacation, I would advise you not to use Got2b glue. Now, I use that. That is actually my staple, especially the one in the yellow bottle. And that's the one that I'm gonna be showing you guys how to install this unit with. But I'd recommend that you get something a little stronger, well, a lot stronger, especially if you're planning to swim in this hair. You probably need something like Bold Hold or even Ghost Bond glue. I typically don't wear my wigs longer than a day. I take my wigs off every night and then reinstall. So this type glue or adhesive is not the best for me. Yeah, so this is Bold Hold Extreme. And I don't know why it's not focus. There we go. So something like this would be a great option if you're planning to leave it on for a while, and also if you're planning to expose the hair to water. It says that this is loose curly hair, and this one I just felt like Hawaii, somewhere tropical. This would look so fly, right? I love the length and everything. It is in length 18, and y'all know lately I've been doing like 20, 22, but I tried to keep it a little more in my comfort zone for this one. This is a 360 as well, so if you wanted to put it up, if you wanted to put your hair in a ponytail, you could do that. And all of Best Lace units, they bleach the knots. And this is the whole front that's bleached. And this unit has a good amount of parting. It does have 4 inches in the front, and then in the back where there's lace, there's 1 inch of parting. And you can see that if you look on the inside. So now putting on the mannequin head, you all can see how well constructed this unit is. It does come with a pre-plucked hairline, and I feel like you could go in a little more just to customize it a bit to your liking. But I believe I'm gonna leave it as is. This is what we're working with. And you would need to pluck this area if you're planning to make it look more natural. But I typically just put like a headband or something back there. Yeah, I think I want to tint the lace. Yeah, I'm gonna do that. So I'm gonna put on my Sally Hansen, and I'm gonna cut the lace off around the entire circumference of the unit, and then I'm gonna proceed to install. Okay, y'all, so I've already cut off the lace and everything, and I just pulled it forward, and I'm stunned. This curl pattern is so beautiful, and I did decide to shift the part, but you could wear it in the middle if you like. So I'm gonna do a side part. I think I'm gonna also show y'all what it would look like if you were to pull it back in a ponytail. Do a low sleek ponytail with this unit. I think that would be really pretty. So let's go ahead and secure it down with the Got2b glue in the yellow bottle. right, y'all, so I switched my top. How pretty is this mauve pink? It is so, so pretty. I am gonna spray a little bit of water on the ends. And y'all, I did receive a little bit of shedding with this hair and some resistance on the ends. Now the resistance, that generally happens with this type of curly hair before you wash it. But once you wash it, it's usually fine. And again, the shedding, it was just a little bit. And I didn't spritz a lot. So I'm spraying the water and then scrunching the curls. And that's just going to give me a bit more definition. And this hair looks like it kind of has some shape to it. I didn't cut it at all, but it looks like it has a little bit of shape on this side. Like maybe they layered it. I don't know, but I like the way that looks. Okay, let's do a low sleek ponytail. I'm going to use some mousse to do that. And I'm using my BB foam wrapping lotion. Alright, so you can wear it out and maybe take some hair from the bottom and wrap it around like this. Don't you know what I mean? Don't you know what? And this is going to conceal the ponytail holder. And you can just spray some Got to Be Glue Free spray in this area just to make sure it's secure. Or you can do a bun. Well, I want to do a bun. Y'all, this is some cooperative curly hair. It slicked down so nicely into this ponytail, and it did not take me long at all to do it. And the volume on the end and also the length is just perfect for this style. So now I'm just going to take the hair and I'm going to 2-strand twist it, and then I'm going to put a rubber band on the end. This could actually be a style, or you could actually decide to braid the hair and it would look really, really good as well. See, I love how chic that looks. And I'm just gonna put a little rubber band on the end. A really cute hairstyle. I love the way that looks. Looks really effortless and chic. Okay, now for my bun, I'm gonna actually wrap the twisted hair around, and I'm gonna use these open pins in order to secure it. Alright y'all, I love the way it turned out. It looks so sleek, and this texture is so beautiful and perfect once again for a low sleek ponytail or a low sleek bun. So I hope that you all enjoyed this video where I gave you all some inspiration for spring and also maybe a vacay that you're going on, some curly texture hair that will be perfect for it, and also a nice sleek ponytail or bun that you can wear for any occasion. So be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Also check the description box for this unit. I'll leave all the details and specifications down there. I look forward to your feedback. I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys.